Hi everybody, welcome to an Asynchronous Wednesday. This film is an introduction and your to-do list for the day. You're going to need your simulator, your data table, your graphs, and your lab report. Things to do: finish collecting your data, watch the background video, and start your lab. Available resources: your notes, how to lab videos, and the background information. Use all of these resources to help you out. Enjoy!